This little cabin you see right here, it's for sale. I designed it. It was built by the Small Dwelling Company out of Texas. Info on RelaxShacks.com. And coming up soon, a chance for you to win a tiny house heater from Envy. Check them out through eheat.com. And we have several hands-on tiny house building workshops in Massachusetts, Seattle, and Nebraska.
So, Jeremy Killian with Tiny Innovations, and we're here at the Arlington, Texas 2017 Tiny Home Festival Jamboree. We're in our model, the Catalina. It's a 28 by 8.5 foot, 13,200 pound model, and about 317 square foot. Been out in the world of Pinterest, YouTube, and whatnot. We are more on the higher end. We do a lot of custom luxury. We do all sorts of different tiny homes, starting from 40,000 on up. We really pride ourselves in our quality, our craftsmanship. We love what we do, and we want to make sure for the customer's experience, more importantly, that they get what they want. And in our unit, especially, we've put some really high-end upgrades, finishes, and yeah, we love what we do. So I do a lot of the design work myself. My partner and I, Ryan Donato, we're really into the high-end European, mid-century, modern. We do it all, of course, but we wanted to stick out because tiny homes traditionally are known as the cabins and the cottages. What we like to do is we like to focus on where can we go above and beyond? How can we be innovative? How can we take it to the next step? And you know, for us, we love clean lines, we love lineature, we love using mixes of woods and metals, just like you said, the industrial look, the modern look, and ultimately just putting it together and making a beautiful masterpiece.
Yeah, if anything, it's, I don't know what your heritage, your background is, it's almost very Danish or Icelandic. Which,
I'm actually Irish.
Are you really? Okay, yeah.
It's essentially for us, more than anything, it's not putting ourselves in a box and being like everybody else. We want to focus on what's the next level, what can we do that's cutting edge, what can we do to add technology, what can we do to add a vibe. And what we've been at this show and what we've heard from day one is that we stand out because of that. And we want to stand out, and we want to be the whoa, wait a minute, what's that? And you can do that in a tiny home, and that's what we like to do.
Well, this clean, bright interior really helps too. I mean, you got a lot of windows here, but you're almost bouncing light off some of these walls and making it feel a heck of a lot bigger.
Yeah, we specifically did a lighting plan for that to accent the tile features, the wood features, using the cedar, the American walnut, the wood flooring. And we tried to make a good balance between the window light, the natural light, the gumball lights. That really helped, using the 4-inch nickels, and then just obviously playing with color. I mean, color is key. You know, we use the white as the primary background, and then we threw in the hemlock, the natural woods, and we tried to play off of, you know, the real light, bright, and airy vibe.
Tell us a little bit about the wall coverings here, the material for that.
So this is actually 5/8 ply, grade A, and then what we did is we did a 3-step down sanding process to get it into a real smooth finish. A lot of people have asked us, and they can't believe it's plywood.
Oh, I can't believe it,
and
honestly.
then our guys painstakingly, with all the joints throughout, had to line it all up, miter it, and then come in and just very, very, very carefully, without messing it up, go through and create the lines.
So the lines are just gaps basically left from the mitering.
Yep, from the mitering, and then what they had to do is, just like with tile, basically take the spacers and go in, set them out about every 6 to 8 inches, and then that way we kept it as clean as we could, so that where there are areas where they meet up to other areas, or from the one side to the right side of the door, These aren't even off by an eighth of an inch.
Oh, I was wondering about expansion, things like that in different
Yep.
climates. But yeah, tell us about the loft real quick. Your ceilings, by the way, what kind of wood is this? Those are gorgeous.
That is a 4-inch tongue and groove, no gap, clear cedar. We had all of this inside and out hand milled. We cleared to enhance this one, so that's the natural wood. All
Yeah.
of this is cleared. We spent a good amount of time and money to make sure that this cedar was done right and not to have those knots in it like typical cedar does.
Yeah, it's pristine. You guys certainly are sticklers and maybe bordering on OCD with your quality here.
ADD and OCD.
Yeah, which isn't a bad thing. Again, the website, if people want to check it out.
It's www.innovatetiny.com.
Hey, thank you so much, man.
Thank you.